guys, today we plan to go for Savandurga Trek. But I've seen a lot of videos about Savandurga video, but we thought of doing a sunset Savandurga Trek today. That idea came from my brother David, the one who's shooting the video now. So we thought of doing a sunset, but look at the weather now. It was all fine. It was all fine in the afternoon when we saw. I went to the terrace and it was hot. Then we decided let's do sunset trekking today. But unfortunately we have come from Bangalore, and the distance is about from Bangalore to Savandurga is about 60 kilometers. So where we live is North Bangalore, which is Jalali Cross. From there it is about 50 odd kilometers. So we started off. The moment we left, started raining. We thought that the clouds will move off and it will clear and it will be all sunny near the mountain. But now I see it's pouring, still pouring, it's pouring, still pouring. We do not know whether we'll be able to trek or not. But since we have already started our trek, we'll make sure we will trek even in the rain. So that's also fun, right? But we don't have gears to trek in the rain, but we'll manage somehow. We'll use whatever we get, all the materials, and we'll cover ourselves and we'll start trekking. So looks like it is clearing up a little bit. Do you want to pan over there and show the weather? See how it is raining, and this is how it is. So looks like the cloud is clearing. So probably when we can make it up to the mountain, and the moment we reach there, we'll start trek. We'll start our trek. I'll keep you posted on the way. Okay? See you. Hi guys, for trekking, but the authorities, they have shut off the mountain. Nobody can trek now because of COVID-19. And another hilarious thing is this rain. It's raining. It's pouring cats and dogs. So we are not able to trek. First thing is they have locked because of COVID-19. There's a barricade. They're not letting anybody to go near the village itself, right? And next thing is the weather. It's pouring like crazy. You want to pan out and show how it is pouring? So what we are doing now is we are returning back home. We are going back home. How we have come, we are just going back home the same way. And look at this. Look at our friends who are enjoying rain, or maybe they want to get a shelter, and that's the reason they're running around. So, let's see. No other go. So me and my brother, we are just going. Can't help it. But next time, yes, for sure. When we come here, we will not do the early morning trek. We will do the sunset trek, evening trek. Start probably around 3:30, 4 o'clock and reach the top, and we'll show you how the sunset looks like. So many people are coming. I think they wanted to see the view. They are going there. I don't think so they'll be able to, enjoy the view. They all will come back. How we have gone and come back, likewise these also. They'll just go see the barricade. The entire road is sealed. The entrance itself is sealed. So nobody can go. Now what we are doing is we'll go back home, and while on the way, what David will do is he'll capture the scenic view, the beauty of this road and the greenery around, and post that I'll upload it in YouTube and show it to you guys. So this is how you can enjoy the ride. while it is raining in beautiful scenic jungle kind of, right? So see you guys until next time, but we'll come up with something else. Probably next is a trekking video or probably some drive video. Okay, see you soon then. Bye.